Hi, it's giveaway day. I'm going to go ahead and select one lucky winner to send this Arches watercolor tab to. Good luck!
Hi, it's Kendra. Welcome back to my channel. Guess what today is? It's giveaway day. Somebody's going to win this tablet. You know, it's a really cool watercolor tablet, so good luck. My process is I'm going to draw 3 names. Each of you will have 1 week to contact me with mailing instructions. And so if the first person doesn't get back to me within a week, I'll go to the second name and then the third name. But first, I just want to talk to you about my upcoming upload. I want to get ready for Valentine's Day because it's my favorite holiday. I mean, because I love love and romance and I love candy, but I really love chocolate, okay? Chocolate is not just candy, and we all know that. Chocolate is something like very unique. It has its own category. All right, so what I'm gonna do, gonna gather like a ton of stuff from around the house, right? And we're gonna just like plaster red, white, pink, and maybe some lavender paint on like everything. And we're gonna be making some of these. Yeah, just string a bunch of these together, you know, some little tissue banners. All right, tassels, I guess. I guess they're called tassels. Put a little glitter on everything. And then these, I collect these. I like to paint them. I like to bedazzle them. I like to sell them because people buy them. Anyway, my husband likes to shoot these at the gun range with his guns. He's a really nice man, but he does own guns. He's a good man. All right, so we're going to be doing some bowling pins because I'm old school. I just love bowling pins, and we'll paint those up for Valentine's Day too. All right, so yes, the giveaway. Hold on. What was I doing? Hey, the giveaway, that's right. You're here for the Arches watercolor tablet. Yes, I promised. One more thing, one shout out, okay? Just bear with me a couple more minutes. My hat. My friend Amanda, she was knitting and crocheting these hats, and I came across her, and I bought a hat with some flowers, and then I bought another hat, and another hat, and another hat. So you know what I ended up doing? I bought like a hat in every color from Amanda because first of all, I think they're cute. They're so well made. I mean, I don't know, is this knitting or crocheting? I'm not sure. But she made the hats for me. Then we started to add these flowers, you know. And so I had her do a flower in every color. But anyway, shout out to Amanda L. I love her. She's so talented. Let me know if you want a hat, okay? Just in comments below, say, hey, I want to put in an order from a hat from Amanda. The other thing is, she made this for me. I love this. Look at this. Oh my God. Handmade, crocheted Afghan. Winter times are so lovely here at Sunrise Ridge. You know, I wake up in the morning and it's a little chilly, but because we're in California, I don't really need the heater on most mornings, so I just sit by the fireplace with my Afghan. Anyway, I promise. The giveaway, yes, it's coming, I promise. All right, let's do it. I'm up to like 60 something subscribers. So remember, if you're interested in my giveaway, you have to comment. If you're somebody new just watching my videos for the first time and you want to be giveaway eligible, you have to let me know that you've subscribed. If your subscription is private, I don't know that you subscribe to me. So I want to make sure that your name gets put on one of these little tabs of paper. All right, so let's use one of Amanda's hats. Okay, boom. Here's the deal. I am going to pick 3 names, okay? Just because I'm giving people 1 week to respond to provide a mailing address, mailing instructions to me, because I'm going to have Amazon send you a brand new Arches tablet. So if the first person, the lucky winner, doesn't get back to me within a week, then I'm going to the second person and then the third person. So here we go. Okay, the first lucky name. Oh my God, I don't believe this. This is getting too weird. Cynthia Beck. She won the first giveaway. And I called her to find out, if you happen to win the second giveaway, do you want the Arches watercolor tablet? And she told me no, she doesn't want it. Cynthia, God, she doesn't want it. All right, so again, we're gonna have to do 3. Okay, 3 names. All right, J.A. Sesterdy. Okay, J.A. Sesterdy, you are number 1 in line for the giveaway for the Arches watercolor tablet. And then if you don't respond, oh my gosh, Claire Gruppo. Ah! That is so funny. Claire Gruppo could really use this. Oh, I love you. She's also a friend, my former boyfriend's wife, and we're still friends. Claire, I love you. Mike, I love you. You guys have been really good to me over the years. Love you. Okay, here's somebody new, Everard O'Kelly. All right, so I've got 3 names now, and that's how it's gonna go. So J.A., I'm contacting you first. Congratulations. Just, you've got to respond immediately so I know how to get this to you. All right, I think that's it. I think the next upload is going to be about Valentine crafts. So I certainly hope that you join me. I'm just going to show you, just go from all over the house and grab just stuff from around the house. And we're going to go ahead and put together a full-on Valentine theme party, basically for free, just with stuff that you already own. Okay?
Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, look forward to my upcoming video on Valentine crafts.